Hello everyone, this is going to be our marketing proposal for the site in Hoshangabad. The site is located in the Nirmata Apna Hospital compound. The compound is bordered at the north by the road, and there is a railway track traveling along the east border of the site. The entrance to the site is at the north, from the road. Within the compound, near the entrance, there is the Nirmata temple. Traveling straight south, near the end of the site, is the Apna Nirmata Hospital. Between these two landmarks, there lies an open field measuring 90 meters by 80 meters. This will be the site of our design proposal, which is a CBSE private school. Now, we move on to the next part of the presentation, the case study. To help understand the design process, we have done a case study on a private school in Dehradun. The Salakwi School is located in Doon Valley in Dehradun, amongst the heavily forested foothills of the Middle Himalayas. The school campus is located about 20 kilometers from Dehradun. It is a co-educational and fully residential school. Temperature ranges between 27 to 41 degrees Celsius. Winters are more pleasant and may get cold as the temperature ranges from 5 to 27 degrees Celsius. On the 52-acre land, the built-up spaces account for 15% and the rest is open space. Here, we have the planning analysis of the Salakwi School. The layout of the building and the intensive amalgamation of landscaping elements adds to a quiet and learning environment to the school. The academic block is at the entrance and the hostels are situated at the rear of the site. If we look at the zoning, the various blocks consist of academics, hostels, staff housing, dining, sports facilities and other facilities. The philosophy of the Salakwi School emphasizes on tradition, and this is translated into the architecture of the school, which works in harmony with the tradition of the local architecture. Campus-type planning has been involved with the integration of clusters and courtyard forms. Interconnection of various activity zones is achieved so as to make all the zones easily accessible. The application of the concept is achieved by incorporating traditional Indian concept of building elements like courtyards, verandas, terraces, jollies, deep overhangs, local materials, and craftsmanship. The academic block is placed in front of the main entry, and beside the Court of Assembly. It is named Nalanda, after the famous Indian university. The academic block is designed in various levels. These levels are negotiated by steps that are on each of the four sides of courtyard. Now, for the final part of this presentation, we will propose a development for our school using what we have learned from our case study, and apply it to our site. After the site analysis and detailed case study, we move into the zoning of the site, considering all the CBSE norms. For the tentative proposal, we have done the zoning of the site for our proposed project. To scale the plan, a 5 meter by 5 meter grid has been laid on top. Then, we have divided the plan into 5 zones. Zone A, Assembly Ground. Zone B, Administration Block. Zone C, Academic Block for grades from nursery to the 5th grade. Zone D, Academic Block for grades from 6th to the 12th grade. Zone E, Shops including the school canteen. An investment in knowledge pays the best returns. Verdant Nirmata School is to be a safe, academically oriented and technologically advanced institute for learning. In order to achieve this goal, There are several outlines that will serve as requirements in the planning and execution of this project. The provisions outlined for the school are: Number 1, high security with CCTV surveillance, in and around the compound. Number 2, highly professional and skilled teachers. Number 3, furnished classrooms with ICT facilities for comfortable learning. Number 4, playground for the students. Number 5, extensive library for academic as well as literary collections. Number 6, good hostel facilities with mess. And number 7, readily available bus system.